Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the this one update, insert and delete anomalies. So today we'll be discussing about the introduction to normal forms. So what are normal forms here? Normal forms are rules to the structure relational data. Normal forms are the rules to structure the relational data for eliminating the redundancy and dependency issues. For eliminating the redundancy and dependency issues, right? So here, let me explain this one in a simple way. So basically they range from one normal form to five normal form, right? 1NF to 5NF. So we can just write it in this way: 1NF to 5NF, right? So one normal form, two normal form, three normal form, four normal form, five normal form, right? So it ranges from one normal form to five normal form, each solving the specific problems like repetition, repetition, this one, what do we call partial dependencies and transitive dependencies and other stuff as well, right? So here they range from one normal form to five normal form, each solving the specific problems like repetition, this one, partial dependencies, transitive dependencies, etc., right? So that is the reason we'll be going with the one normal form to five normal form to solve specific problems, right? So what does the normal form definition say here? Normal forms are rules to structure the relational data for eliminating the data redundancy, and dependency issues, right? So let's see this one with a very simple example. Let's go with a one normal form, right? One normal form, right? So let's see what it solves basically. So I'll just mm, let me create the table uh, employee here, right? So this consists of the parameters, three parameters. One is employee ID, so this one is int. Another one is employee name, so this one is varchar of this one 100. And the next one is skills, so this is varchar of this one 100. So this is fine. Let me come out of this one entirely. So we have the multiple skills in one column, that is not in the one normal form. So I can just go with here, uh, insert here into employee values. So one comma, so this one we have employee ID, employee name, let me give here uh, Ravi, employee name, let's give Ravi here. And also for the this one skills, let me give SQL, and let me give Python as well. So this one I'll just go with the Python, SQL, Python. So this is fine. So we have the multiple skills in one column, right? This is not in the one normal form. Basically what we are doing here, this is breaking the this is breaking the multi-valued fields here. This violates the one normal form. This is breaking the multi-valued fields here, violating the one normal form. This one SQL Python, we have two things here, right? So we are giving the multiple skills in one column. This shouldn't happen on one normal form, right? So this is breaking the multi-valued fields, nothing but it is violating the one normal form, right? So in simple terms, a single column holds multiple values, nothing but comma separated, this one here, SQL comma this one Python. This violates the one normal form. So if I try to execute this one, we are getting one row affected, right? So we are getting the this one output, one row affected, right? So this is fine. So basically what we have done here is we have inserted the data, but it violates the one normal form, making querying specific skills hard, making querying specific skills hard. So this is how we are making use of the one normal form, 1NF, right? So you can just try it out for the two normal form, 3, 4, or 5, right? In the same way, in the same way. So I have just shown you the example. I have shown you the example. So this is the basics basically, right? So I have shown you the example by considering for the one normal form. You can just try it out for the others. So we are done with the normal forms concept. Next, let's move on with the functional dependency. Next, let's discuss about the functional dependency topic. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.